Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or you are a returning subscriber, I'm super glad to have you all here once again on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make this simple Oreo vanilla cake. So please sit back and enjoy this video to the end. Okay guys, the first thing you will want to do is cream your margarine first, and then you cream you add your sugar. Okay, so I'm really sure we all know this particular method. Even if you're a beginner in knowing how to bake cakes, this is the beginning method when you're trying to make especially margarine based cakes. Okay, so there's nothing really difficult here. Just try to make sure that you've creamed your margarine first. Okay, at least probably 5 minutes before you add in your sugar. So you will have to do this until it's light, pale and fluffy.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So I am adding my vanilla flavor. I always like to add in my flavor while I'm creaming my margarine and sugar. This is because I want the flavor to incorporate very well into the cream, margarine and sugar. For this method, I feel like the vanilla will give the cake a very nice taste after the baking. Hope you guys get what I'm saying. So I am adding my eggs gradually. Please, when you're creaming your margarine and sugar, you need to make sure that you are always scraping the sides of your bowl. This is very important when baking your cakes. Okay, so I have added my eggs. Some bakers used to whisk their eggs. Some bakers try to separate their eggs from the egg whites. Okay, but for me, I feel like the results is almost the same thing. So if I whisk my egg white separately from my egg yolk. If I just add everything inside. The most important thing for me is that the result comes out nice, fluffy and very, very okay.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your...
For this recipe, I didn't use any milk. Okay, so I'm sure by now you guys know that when you use milk for your cakes, it reduces the lifespan. Okay, this means that the cake will want to last for probably 3 to 4 days. So that's the that's the lifespan of the cake. I hope you guys get me. So for this recipe, I didn't use any milk. It's not like I don't want to use milk, but I just didn't use anything like milk. So if you want to use milk for your own, fine, but for me in this video I did not use milk. So to pour in the remaining part of the eggs, I had to leave 2 egg yolk on the plate and then just try to whisk it. I know you guys be wondering why did I do it. Well, there's no much reason. I'm just trying different method when I'm trying to bake my cakes. So, and trust me guys, the end result was really okay. The cake was fluffy and really tasty enough.
Fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, you can see how lush my butter is. You can see, despite the fact that I did not add milk. The thing is, the reason why people add milk to their cakes is because, especially vanilla cakes, is because when they feel like their butter is too thick, they kind of add milk to it so as to make it light. And for my vanilla cakes, I usually don't add milk to it. Okay, and still my butter still comes out very, very light and fluffy. So I've just added the crushed Oreos. Yes, like I said in the beginning of this video, this is how to make a simple Oreo vanilla cake. I have a video where I taught about how to make a real Oreo cookies and cream cake. So maybe I'm going to leave the video towards the end of this one here so that you guys can watch how to make Oreo cookies or cookies and cream cake. Okay, so this one just a very simple vanilla Oreos cake. So I hope you guys get the difference.
But I know you can't tell, like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more weightless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake us.
So guys, kindly note that whenever you're baking your cakes, it's very important for you to tap the pan or your baking pan. This is because you need to release the some air bubbles from your batter or from your cakes. Okay, so this is the end result, guys. It's looking nice for me. I hope you guys love it, and trust me, it's really, really fluffy and tasty. I love the taste, and this is why I had to put vanilla while I was creaming from the beginning. Okay, so I want to cut the cake now, and actually I did put this cake inside the freezer. See, if I'm cutting it, don't be surprised like, why is it looking like this? No, it was in the freezer and it's giving me this kind of neat slice, as you can see. So guys, this is it for this video, and please, if you enjoyed it, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're new here watching for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video for it to go viral. Okay, and please, for the recipe is on the description of this video. Just check it out, guys. It's a very simple recipe. Once again, do not forget to like this video, do not forget to share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. I love this cake. Okay, it was in the freezer again, that's why it's looking like this, and I love the neat slice. So for you to get a neat slice, make sure that you put your cake in the freezer or in the fridge. With this, you can have a neat slice just like what you're watching here. So guys, that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.
I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.